Hello and welcome to today's webinar on behalf of Legal Futures, Environmental Law for Property Lawyers. I'm Peta Dollar and I'm a freelance lecturer, trainer and writer. When I was in practice, I was a practicing property lawyer, but I did have a huge amount to do with particularly contaminated sites. So environmental law is something that I was dealing with, although not as an environmental law specialist. So there are essentially two areas in which a property lawyer must understand environmental law. And these are, first, obviously, when carrying out environmental searches against a property and reporting on the results of those searches. And then going on from that, depending on the nature of the site and obviously the results of those searches, you may need to advise on whether or not further environmental searches or investigations should be carried out. And then secondly, you need to understand environmental law when you're drafting, negotiating, and indeed advising on the environmental law provisions of a contract or indeed of a lease. Now, some of you may have specialist environmental law colleagues, which is great if you've got them. I certainly had some super colleagues who helped on particularly heavily contaminated sites. But obviously some of you will not have those specialist colleagues to assist. And of course, if you do